This question is testing your basic understanding of numbers. So the first question says, write down in words the number 7,089. If you need a clue as well as to how to write things down, take a look at the second part, which has a number in words. So let's write down 7,000 and 89. Okay, write down in figures the number 37,204. So we've got 37,000, and there's no need to write commas down anymore as there used to be. 204. 204. Okay. Find the sum of 618 and 197. So let's write that down. 618 and 197. Find the sum of means just adding them. So we got 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry 1. So 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 11. Plus 1 is 11. So that's 1 down, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 6 is 8. So our answer is 815. What number must be added to 256 to make 824? So let's think about that. What that's saying is a number added to that, to 256, makes 824. And the way you can find that out is by subtracting 256 from 824. So let's do that. So 6 minus 4, we need to carry 1 from there. So that becomes 1. And we carry 1 over there. So 6 minus 14 is 8. So 1 minus 5, we need to carry 1 over from here. So that becomes 7. And that becomes 11. So 11 minus 5 is 6. And we've got 7 minus 2 is 5. So 568 is your answer. If you've got time, you can check that back by adding 568 to 256, and that should give you 824. Right. Write down the value of the 6 in the number 49,652. This is testing your understanding of units. So here you've got your units, you've got your tens, your hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. So basically the value of 6 in the number is, that's your unit, that's your tens, that's your hundreds, so it's 600. Showing all your working, find an estimate for the value of 68.9 times 11. Now, several ways of doing that. I want to show you that actually calculating this accurately is very easy. For instance, we can say now 10 times 68.9 is simply by moving the decimal point when you multiply by 10 is 689. And adding because we've got 1 there, you need to add 68.9 times 1, which is 68.9. You may want to do this one under the other, but I can show you that that is simply, let's see, we're left with 0.9. 9 plus 8 is 17, carry 1. 8 plus 6 is 14, plus the 1 is 15, carry 1. And 6 plus 1 is... So you can actually get an accurate answer very quickly. I think what they're trying to say is that's it's very difficult actually, because let's say 68.9 is roughly 70. And multiplying by 10 gives 700. So I think that's what they're saying, is giving an estimate. You can multiply 70 by 10 to get a rough answer. It's still quite a bit out from the accurate answers, you can see. But I guess that's what they're trying to get at in this question. So the final part of the question is write down all the factors of 27. That's what numbers multiplied will go into 27 accurately to give another unit. So for instance, 1 will go in there 27 times, so 2 factors are 1 and 27. It's useful to know your times table here, because the other factors 3 and 9. 3 times 9 is 27. Now it doesn't say all the positive factors, because in fact you've also got -1, -27, -3 and -9 are also factors. So that's a complete answer to that.